Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So this video is all about this amazing hair that I am rocking right now. So if you want to learn more about this unit, then definitely keep on watching. All right, you guys, before we get started, we need to make sure that you guys are subscribed because so many of you all are watching these videos, checking out this content, and not hitting the subscribe button. So I'll wait. I want you guys in the next 3 seconds, find that red subscribe button and click it now. 3, 2, 1. All right, now you're a subscriber. Welcome to the family. We are going to talk about this unit that I'm rocking right now. This is some hair from Sam's Beauty. So thank you so much, samsbeauty.com, for sponsoring this video and sending me this gorgeous hair. This hair is by Bare and Natural. It is a part of Sensational Hair's collection. It was sent to me in Ombre. It was dark roots with platinum blonde hair at the bottom. Is their 613 Ombre hair. I did go ahead and grab a closure from my local beauty supply store. It's a human hair closure with a part. I went ahead and colored the hair. As you can see, Sam's was kind enough to send me the green color that you see on my head, which is this forest green. And then I have it a little lighter and a little more faded out in the front. So that is the forest green. It is by Kiss Colors. And then I also have electric yellow, which is this yellow here that you see. And then I used some Adore color, which was called Orange Blaze. So that's this orange, but it came out sort of more of a reddish shade to me, in my opinion. This hair is just in time for DC's Carnival. Yes, I am Caribbean. My family is from St. Thomas. My mother is from the United States, but my father's side of the family is from St. Thomas. So I do celebrate DC's Carnival. I will be celebrating it at the Hooky Party on Friday. So if you are in the DMV area, make sure you come and check out Hooky. You can get your tickets at hookylife.com. I'll also leave a link in the information bar down below if you want to join us. You do have to play hooky from work though. It is Friday from 1 until 8, so definitely send me a message if you want to grab some tickets, or you can just go to the site down below. All right, you guys, this hair came out so bomb and so fire. I thought I was recording. I had my pin curls in. They were so gorgeous. I thought I was recording me taking the pin curls out and doing the big reveal, but I did grab it on my Snapchat. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram stories and on Snapchat. I'll try to put a few of the clips in here if I can figure out how to do that. Sometimes I'm a little technologically challenged, but I figure it out. I make it work, you guys. So if I can put those clips in, I absolutely will. I'll also put in clips of me unboxing this hair as well. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed those clips. I just want to tell you a little bit about the hair and how I feel about it. I absolutely love it. The hair is gorgeous. It took to the color amazingly. I did not even leave the color in that long, you guys. I literally left the color in for maybe 15 to 20 minutes and then I just rinsed it out. Yeah, it bled a little bit. If I was a little more patient, I probably could have left it on for an hour or so and I would have got no bleeding at all. But this was my first time using Kiss Colors and I'm definitely impressed. I love how this yellow came out. It's so vibrant and gorgeous. I'm so happy that I have my hair. I'm definitely going to be rocking this unit. For the extra shine, I did use this product. It's called The Dew. It's by a company called The Dew. It is the light and this is a heat protectant. So I used this while I was blow drying the hair and curling the hair. And then I also just spritzed it a couple times when I took the pin curls out. Then this is my holy grail product. This is my Indie Hair hairspray. This is maximum level hold with maximum level shine. It's just a gorgeous hold and it does an amazing job. I use this every time I do my pin curls and they always come out gorgeous. So I swear by that product. What else? I love the hair. It's so healthy. It's so shiny. I'm not getting any tangles. I'm not getting any shedding. It took the color great. It took the curls amazing. I honestly don't have any let me pull that down over my wig cap, girl. Ooh. I don't have any complaints, you guys. I just love it. I think it's so cute. Tell me what you guys think. Are you guys Caribbean? Do you celebrate Carnival? Are you in the DC area? Am I going to see you on Friday? Oh my gosh, there's so many questions. Let me know in the information in the comment section down below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys for rocking with me. We hit 25K, so you know a giveaway is coming up soon. So make sure you keep checking back and you turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next one.